Are you dreaming of studying abroad, wondering where your degree will shine even 5 or 10 years down the line? Well, you're in the right place then. Today, we are diving into why Australia is ultimate destination for your higher education in 2025. So, grab a cup of chai or coffee and let's get started. Oh, and before we begin, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for all the latest updates on studying abroad. First thing first, why Australia? Australia is home to some of the world's top ranked universities. In 2025, 38 of its universities out of 1700 globally ranked across 60 subject areas. ये बात कुछ बड़ी नहीं है क्या? From engineering to medicine, business to IT, Australian universities like University of Melbourne, Sydney and ANU are leading the way. So you have a guaranteed job ready. अब ये तो बढ़िया हो गया. But as we know, high quality education costs high. So what about its education fees? Let's break it down. For UG programs, the average tuition fees ranges from $20,000 to $45,000 per year. That's roughly 11 lakh to 24 lakh rupees. Postgraduate programs cost between $22,000 to $50,000 annually, around 12 to 27 lakh rupees. हाँ, ये थोड़ा एक्सपेंसिव लग सकता है, लेकिन क्वालिटी के साथ कॉम्प्रोमाइज नहीं हो सकता ना. Plus the return on the investments are incredible. And now let's talk about the best part, scholarships. Australia offers amazing opportunities to ease your financial burden. The Australian government provides 3 major scholarships for international students. Australia awards scholarships: full tuition, living cost, health insurance and more for students from Asia Pacific, Africa, the Middle East and Indonesia. ये scholarship एक game changer है. The second is Destination Australia Awards. Up to $15,000 per year, around 8.25 lakhs for students studying anywhere in Australia, including regional areas. Research training programs. Perfect for PG research students, covering tuition, living stipends and research expenses. और यही सब नहीं, many universities offer international scholarships too. So make sure to check with what scholarship your chosen university offers. अब बात करते हैं पोस्ट स्टडी वर्क परमिट्स की, जो ऑस्ट्रेलिया को और भी अट्रैक्टिव बनाता है. After completing your degree from a CRICOS registered institution and meeting the Australian study requirements, you can get 2 years post-study permit for a bachelor's degree, 3 years for a master's degree and 4 years for a PhD. इसके साथ you can work part-time during your studies up to 20 hours per week, earning $25 to $35 per hour. That will be 1,300 to 2,000 rupees per hour. ये अमाउंट आपके बेसिक एक्सपेंसेस तो निकाल ही सकता है. नाउ द करियर अपॉर्चुनिटीज इन ऑस्ट्रेलिया आर नेक्स्ट लेवल. इवन एज एन एंट्री लेवल ग्रेजुएट विद नो प्रायर एक्सपीरियंस, you can earn an average of $69,800 per year, around 38 lakh rupees. और अगर आपके पास कोई solid work experience है तो $1,38,400 per year तक कमा सकते हो. That will be nearly 76 lakh rupees. You could work with global giants like BHP Group, Commonwealth Bank, CSL Limited and National Australian Bank. और ये सब ऑस्ट्रेलिया के वाइब्रेंट जॉब मार्केट में. आफ्टर नोइंग दिस, इफ योर हार्ट इज आल्सो थिंकिंग अबाउट सेटलिंग इन ऑस्ट्रेलिया, then you should know permanent residency is possible if your skills and qualifications match Australia's scaled occupation list, which is available below in our description. Fields like IT, engineering, healthcare and teaching are in high demand. So choose a course aligned with these skills and you are one step closer to calling Australia your home. अगर आप भी मास्टर्स डिग्री के बारे में सोच रहे हैं तो ये रिक्वायरमेंट्स याद रखिएगा. अ बैचलर्स डिग्री फ्रॉम अ रिकॉग्नाइज्ड इंस्टीट्यूशन, इंग्लिश प्रोफिशिएंसी टेस्ट लाइक IELTS और PT, अ स्ट्रॉन्ग GT स्टेटमेंट एंड SOP फॉर एक्सप्लेनिंग योर गोल्स. For some scholarships or competitive programs, GRE or GMAT scores might be required. एक सवाल जो सबके मन में होता है, why do visas get rejected? The number one reason is false documents. Guys, ये गलती बिल्कुल मत करना. दूसरा बड़ा रीजन है विदाउट गाइडेंस या लैक ऑफ नॉलेज की वजह से वीजा फॉर्म गलत भर जाते हैं. इफ यू हैव एनी डाउट्स और क्वायरीज, डायरेक्टली रीच आउट टू अस. वीड बी हैप्पी टू हेल्प यू. Also, ensure you have strong financial and academic documents, a well-written cover letter, and a clear GT statement. Many universities, especially for master's programs, conduct GT interviews, So be ready to explain why you choose Australia and your future plans. तो दोस्तों, Australia is not just a study destination. It's a launchpad for your global career. Ready to take the leap? Stay tuned to our channel for step-by-step guidance and applications, scholarships and more. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for all the latest updates. Drop your questions in the comment section below and we'll answer them in our next video.